Well, good evening, everyone. Concerns at the track as we head toward race day. During qualifying weekend, maskless race fans were cheering on their favorite drivers.
Video caught over the weekend shows hundreds of people in the grandstands with no face coverings. News 8's Sierra Hignite joins us live outside IMS with how the health department is now responding. Sierra.
While mask mandates have been lifted in counties across the state, here in Marion County, the mask mandate still stands, at least for a couple more weeks, specifically for reasons surrounding the Indianapolis 500. Now, while city leaders and officials here at the racetrack say that the mask mandate is going to hold, it doesn't seem like it's being enforced here off 16th Street. Video from qualifying weekend at IMS shows race fans happy to be hearing the cars zoom by and getting to be face-to-face with their favorite drivers. One problem, very few of them are wearing any kind of face covering while seated or walking around the motor speedway. With the latest guidelines from the CDC that were released on May 13th saying fully vaccinated people no longer need to wear a mask or physically distance in any setting except where required by federal, state, local, tribal, or territorial law, rules, and regulations, including local, business, and workplace guidance. That is not the case in Marion County, where city and health officials are recommending the city county council lift the mask mandate for those who are fully vaccinated, but not until next month.
June 7th would get us beyond one of the largest events, if not the largest event in the world since the start of the pandemic. This year's Indianapolis 500.
IMS President Doug Bowles laid out the new rules for the track before the month of May, stating that everyone must have a seat, social distance, and wear a mask while inside the track. In a statement sent to News 8 regarding the lack of mask mandate enforcement inside IMS, the Marion County Public Health Department said these protocols, which will continue to be in effect through race weekend, include spacing between customer pods, masks required in all areas, including the paddock, which is over 90% vaccinated, mask ambassadors in the grandstands, in addition to health department staff present at the race, readily available PPE, as well as constant and highly visible signage and announcements reminding fans of the health precautions in place. We did reach out to IMS regarding enforcement as we head into race weekend, and they have not responded. Reporting, I'm Sierra Hignite, Wish TV, wishtv.com, and follow us on Facebook.